How to set the secure folder to auto lock when you leave the app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings. So after click on more security settings, so click on secure folder. So after click on secure folder, now here showing you auto lock secure folder. So after click on auto lock secure folder, so if you want to select each time I level leave an apps, so you will click on each time I leave an apps. So after click on each time I leave an apps, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set the secure folder to auto lock when you leave the app on to Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.